Hey everyone, so today we're working on an 8x16 and we're going to do a paint kit, but we are going to travel it. So on my base I am using black mixed with bronze. You can't really see, there you go, see the metallic in it. So I'm going to go ahead and get that down and we'll be right back. Okay, and it's down and you can see the gold sheen in it. It's really pretty. So in this cup we're going to be using PBO Green Blue Iridescent, Soho Phthalo Blue, and Deco Art Sterling Silver. And in this cup we're going to be using PBO Orange Yellow Red, Iridescent Gold, I'm sorry, that was orange yellow, not orange yellow red, duh, and Allen's Red Shimmer. So I think I'm going to go right in the order I have them. The Deco Art Sterling Silver is fun to play with, just like the gold. It doesn't give you the same reactions, but it dries beautiful. Okay, I think I'm going to do a little bit of blue there. I really want to use this up. And then a little bit of the PBO. Okay. Now, this one, I gotta turn my cup so I can tip it that way. Allen's Red Shimmer. It's a gorgeous red. I have so much fun creating these colors. They're just not blah, you know. They're, and this is where I'll put more gold, and then I'll do the orange yellow. Stuck my hand in it. Alright, let's move these back, because we're going to probably get a little messy on the tilt. I have no clue what cap's going what in over here. Okay. So I do have silicone in these, so we're going to get cells. And we're going to start... let's start on an end. Let that run off. Oh, that's pretty. So let's come again. Oops, that blue really flew out. Glad it went over. We're going to cross over. I want to fill that up because otherwise we're going to have a problem tilting. Last of it's going. Stay together, guys. Staying together. Alright. We have a ton of paint on there. So we're just going to be able to tilt like crazy. I was really hoping I could seal that up, but I can't. I need to blend that just a little bit. that black plays nice. Let's torch it. And let's tilt. I already know I want to go this way. I really don't want to lose that up on the top. See if we can bring it back. And then down a little. I do want some of that black to show. It's too bad we had so much blue there. We could fix that. How, you ask? We will pour another little cup over that. So, I don't have any more phthalo blue, which we really don't need anyways. I just need a little bit. Just a tiny bit. Okay. Get that done on that one. And on this one, we need a little more on this one. The gold to show up. Alright, so we're going to take it right through here. It's like, do I want to come in or do I want to go out? I'm loving this right here. Okay, so because I like that, let's start right here. Let our cups kiss. I ended up getting more of that blue, didn't I? Ugh. Alright, so I put the red in that cup. There we go. So I got that color in there. So now I'm going to definitely probably lose all that black there. Alright, let's tip it off. Let's marry it. Sorry about my dingling phone there. So because I did that, I believe we should do that and get rid of the black completely. So I probably have almost enough paint in there. Okay. Miriam. Okay, let's tilt that off. Alright, let's tilt that. I must have dropped. I'm digging these colors together. They're pretty cool. Well, so much for our traveling kiss pour, right? Look at that runoff. It's beautiful. Alright, let me torch that. So I do have little pop-ups of the black. Not a lot though. I'm trying to run this over. I have a little black corner there and a little black corner there. I don't think no, not too heavy. I like where I kind of married those and that gave a little squiggle. But I'm really loving this part right here. See how that wisps into that red? I love that. I love when two different color wheel colors collide like that and just create something really pretty. Alright guys, I'm going to leave that alone. We'll let all its little cells come up and develop as it dries. It's going to be pretty when it's dry right there. That silver is sticking right out. Same with this right here. I wish I could see the shine. I can't get it. I can't get it. Alright. So that's it for that one, guys. And join me every Monday night live right here on the channel. We start about 9 p.m. Eastern Time. And we pour for a couple of hours usually. We do giveaways and answer questions. And it's a fun time. Check out my Amazon shop for all your paint pouring supplies. And check out all those links below. If you're interested in getting our Parage Posse paints, you can email me at christinawelchart@yahoo.com. And I also have them in my Etsy shop. So with that being said, I will see you all on the next one. Bye now.